cuckoo clock.
Wow, look at that rain. So much for a picnic in the picnic.
That ruins everything.
Rain ruins everything. That gives me an idea.
Pinky, are you gonna make up a story?
Yes, sir, Rudy Posituni.
Yes, sir, Rudy. Positivity. We're going to the story box, where Pinky's really good at making up stories, and every story rocks story box.
Okay, so one day in Great Big City, it was raining. At first it was just a sprinkle, then a drizzle, then it started to rain harder and harder, and then... Huh? That doesn't really happen.
Oh, yes, it does. Just look out the window.
You were right. It doesn't really rain cats and dogs. That's just a saying.
Well, yeah, but since this is a made-up story, anything can...
Die!
What happens next? Let's see. Pinky had never seen anything like this before. Tyler, Mr. Guinea Pig, come here, quick!
It's raining cats and dogs.
Pretty amazing, huh?
Look, the dogs are chasing the cat.
Hey, that's not very nice.
Now what?
We bring them upstairs. Then Pinky, Tyler, and Mr. Guinea Pig took the kitties into the elevator. They had everything under control. They thought... Nice, kitty! Don't play with the elevator buttons! Don't climb up the wall! Or the ceiling! Everybody out! Back in the apartment, Pinky started to wonder if this was such a good idea after all.